What's up? This is Mr. 2. Good afternoon. Today we're talking about, yet again, my Apple AirPods. Here they are. As you can see, I only have one of them because the other one, as you might know or may not know, we actually blended in our blend test. So I only have the one left, the right one. Alright guys, so here it is. Today we're going to talk about these EarSkinz, alright, for AirPods. I got the blue one. They come in a bunch of colors. They have like a white one, obviously a blue one, and other colors, possibly like a green or pink, purple, gray. So for yourself, you can purchase any color you'd like. For myself, I love dark blue, so that's why I purchased dark blue. So here's an unboxing. Here's the box. It says EarSkinz. There's one of them. Where's one of them? The ultimate AirPod accessory, designed for iPhone and iPad. Okay, better sound, better fit, better comfort. It says in the front. At the back it says the ultimate AirPod accessory, designed for iPhone and iPad. These stylish, fit-enhancing covers for your AirPods are like tiny blankets. EarSkinz covers make your AirPods comfortable and stable for your on-the-go listening. EarSkinz on your AirPods give your music staying power. Wow, absolutely love it. Simply place the EarSkinz over your AirPods and enjoy a better listening experience. Better comfort, better fit, better period. And here to show you exactly how to fit them left and right. Compatible with Apple AirPods. Must be removed prior to charging. Oh, too bad. So that means you can't actually have them on the AirPods while you put them in the charging case, because the case gets won't close properly. And here they are on the actual AirPods. That's a nice picture. I like that a lot. Here's the other one. EarSkinz 2017. EarSkinz. EarSkinz.com, made in China. That's pretty much, where everything's made these days. So here they are. I bought them directly from EarSkinz.com because it was like half the price of buying it from eBay. eBay wanted like $18 Canadian. I got this from EarSkinz.com for around like $9 Canadian, so about half price. The shipping obviously was, cost as well, not $9 shipping. So all in all, I paid $18 for these Canadian, shipped everything. Now if you live in the USA, the shipping might be either free or for a small fee, like, a few dollars. Alright guys, so without further ado, let's dig into these. Just the outer layer, didn't do much. The upper outer layer, top part. There we are. Now we're getting them. And there they are. The packaging. Let's get this out of the way. There we go. And here they are. The EarSkinz for AirPods. Blue color. And as you noticed, there's an actual EarSkinz branding on the side of these. I remember I bought EarSkinz for regular earpods, not AirPods, regular earpods with a wired set, right? And they didn't have this branding on them saying EarSkinz. So I'm very happy that now these new sets of EarSkinz come with branding on them. So let's say you're walking outside on the sidewalk one day and someone sees it with them in your ear, and they wonder like, what are those? Those look pretty interesting. With the branding on the back of them, people will walk by, keep looking at them, and they see the name on the actual EarSkinz, and they'd be like, oh yeah, those are EarSkinz, without having to ask you. Because I know most strangers out there are shy, and they don't want to approach you and ask you exactly what products are these. So by them branding the products and making it visible to every other consumer out there, they're really helping themselves be more recognized, and in the long run, hopefully sell more units of them. So let's see if you can open the package here now. Yep, opens right up like a butterfly. There's the one that fell out. Second one. Look at that package, it looks like a butterfly. Wow, that's very strange. Okay, throw this away as well. And here's the actual EarSkinz. And you can see the extra branding there, EarSkinz. Oh my goodness. What a wonderful and great idea from the marketing team from EarSkinz. So obviously in our case today, we only need one of them. We only have one AirPod. So which is the right one? Let's see. That could be it. And when you put them on, make sure to match up the sensor and the little dot there with the opening. So it won't be blocked off. So the iPod will be able to sense your ear and then turn on. There we go. At the back here, this port is open already automatically. This EarSkinz again. And the front here, there's a front grill. Lovely. So up this side, let's put it in my ear now and see how it goes. Goes in like that. Ah, comfortable. I like it. Yeah. Awesome. Alright guys, there you go. They feel very good and snug. They won't come out. Yeah, they feel very good. I'm confident if I go for a walk or a run with these, they'll have a hard time coming out. I think eventually they'll fall out of my ear. And they made the sound a lot more better with them. Oh my goodness, yeah. So if you guys want an enhanced sound with your AirPods, definitely get these EarSkinz. Don't get those cheap ones that TechSmart used in this video. Those are very minimal and can actually fit in your AirPod case when you close it. Those ones are primarily just for holding them in your ear. These ones have dual purpose. They're for holding them in your ear, plus they're for enhanced sound capabilities. So, having them in there, I can definitely tell that these are going to be, you know, a lot more louder, a lot better sounding, you know, all these things. We're not going to actually test them out today with my iPhone, but I'm telling you guys, you should definitely buy a pair of these for yourselves and try them out. Just to hear how well they sound. They sound amazing. Oh yeah, oh my goodness. Alright guys, so there we have it. EarSkinz for your AirPods in blue color. Navy blue I got. There we go. I'm actually trying to see if it'll fit in the AirPod case. So, open it up. Stick it in. Nope, won't fit. Doesn't close, see? Won't close. Too big and bulky. So, take it off. Take it back in. Now we're closed. So, they definitely won't fit in your AirPod case with the cover closed. Nope. Just so you guys know. Alright guys, take care, have a good day. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Mr. 2 signing out. Bye guys.